So, do you know technical writing and literary writing? So, hi guys, my name is Pragnya Mane. Today I am representing technical writing and literary writing. So, let's start. Let's see first what is meant by technical writing and the literary writing. So, technical writing and literary writing are two important writing styles and used by the writers depending on the subject matter, purpose, and intended audience. Let's see the what is the main purpose of technical writing and literary writing. Okay, let's see the main difference about it. Technical writing and literary writing is that literary language is a writing style used in the literary work, and technical writing is used in writing a particular field. That's right. So literary writing is used usually used by writer for the writing the poems, novel, story, etc. You are going to further see. And technical writing is used for the information, subject related knowledge, etc. Let's see first technical writing. So what is technical writing? Technical writing is a form of communication that conveys specific factual and structured information to help the reader understand or perform a task. That's right. Technical writing is style writing used in delivering technical information regarding the particular subject, as he said, and according to the intended audience should a certain knowledge about the subject in order to understand the technical jargon and the meaning of a text. So it meant by technical writing. So what is the purpose of technical writing? There are the many purposes. In short, I'm going to tell that to inform, to instruct, to document means the purpose of technical is to communicate clear, accurate, and useful information to specific audience so they can understand the concept easily and it can perform a particular task given by the person and make a decision easily, and it also to communicate professionally also means like finding present proposal analysis in business or specific settings. Let me give example of this like project proposal, white papers. It is about comment in professional life, and in the document record technical details for a reference. Right, we usually what we do for the something information we refer something books, right? For this also technical writing also is right like that only to record some technical information of related particular subject for reference for further studies. For example, software documentation, engineering reports. There is nowadays it is very important as a student of engineering. So technical writing is the style of writing, okay, that is mostly observed in non-fiction. So here are the example given to install a software, double click setup, file, flow the on-screen instructions and research your computer. It is technical information to perform a particular task as is given this in definition. So, for technical writing, good essay, manual, reports is a style of writing direct and simple and it's easily understand us. So, what is the future? Let's see. The futures are factual and objective tone. There is no emotion or no creativity in technical writing. Using the heading, bullet points, lists, and tables. That's right. While writing technical writing, there is no creativity or emotions or the feeling is written there. There is a simple information about a particular subject or the concept or for giving a particular task to someone, and it is used like professional, and it's used in professional skills like using heading, bullet points, leads, table, etc. And often include chart like of graph, percentage, or graphs or diagram, and tailor of a specific audience in of engineering. So let's see it's now we can see now literature writing. Okay, so what is the literature writing? Right, the literature write sorry literary writing is focused on storytelling, emotions, aesthetic and creative expression. It's applied to reader feelings and imagination. So what is a literary writing? It's a style of writing that use a creativity, literary work. This is a style of writing that is used in fiction. Usually it's used in by the writers while writing their poems, novels, short story, drama, etc. With their creativity, imagination, with the feelings. Because while writing, they think of the audience also, what they want nowadays. So writing, keeping in that points, just writer explore through, and while writing they use literal writing to express themselves. Let's see next point of this. What is the purpose? As I said, to entertain, move, inspire, or provoke thoughts, to explore human emotion, ideas, and story. Let's example folk tales, epics, or fantastic novels. As given here, that's right. It is a purpose that people nowadays only are going through the are engaged in their phones, not because you know that if we read we can get more knowledge, we can connect people, we can understand people, and we get fun like fun. The entertainment books, like we can get interested like what is the next step, what is the next step going to do further in this part. So like keeping in that mind, the writer write the literary writing use in this novel. As I said, so future is like clear the title. So let's see its future. Future features. Subject to emotional tool, as I said, target a general or wide audience, often to use dialogue, nurturing, and plot. So clarity should be in the future. Clarity should be there while writing a while writing. Like first one is to explore the emotion. Like author use stories, poetry, and dialogues to show feels, love, fear, hope, or sadness. Let me give an example: a poem about heartbreak or a novel about a friendship. This example is often ordered to write to express emotion in through these points. For entertainment, I said keeping the readers engaged through the plots, character, humor, subplots, or drama. And to use the artistical, like beautiful descriptive or poetic use of the word of pain mentally imagine. Example like rhymes that use some similes that usually we had learned in the fourth to fifth standard. We had to do like that poem that like remedy, and we can just nowadays like let me give nursery poems that are like that primaries, like we can now also we can recognize or remember now. This is like language artistical, and like let's to share the culture and imagination like folk folk tales, epic or fantastic novels to explore through this literary writing used by the author, and we can get more information of the author culture also. So what is the conclusion? Technical writing is a practical, structured, and factual is help people understand or do something effectively. And what is the literary writing? Is creative and emotional, expressive in inspiration and or touch the heart. Let's write. While writing a written writing, authors keep all the points of the audience on the what basis is writing, like for the entertainment, he writing a plot to encourage that, like example for the mystery book, like the what is going to the next, and as I say in the before this, and for entertainment he's like writing a funny book, so like comic example. Most of all the nowadays adults or teenagers like to love the read the comics book with the sketches. Usually I also love to that do so. The it is a literary writing where we have to create emotional also, and technical writing is very professional. It is used in the industry professions, like writing a manual repose with simple with simple structure, like using bullet points, lines, etc., with the proper font. So I hope you understand. So if you want the PDF, you can comment me. If you have doubt, can you can comment in the comment box. Thank you.